Hey guys, it's your boy Epic Games, and today I am gonna be doing some volleyball. Okay, let's get this. Boom, 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 boom. Let's make them all evil. Cool evils. There he is, okay. Best of 5, and...
Leave the door open.
Why?
So I can holler at you if I need to.
Okay, toggle ready. I have headphones on, it's gonna be hard to hear.
Stay up late.
Shut up. I don't get why I can't close my door. Let's do this. We're playing volleyball, by the way. Boom. Our team just got the first point. And, because I did it. Boom. Foul! Dang it, I accidentally did foul. If the dealer hits and then I hit it, it's called a foul. Well, I got my point back, I just rejected it. Okay, this time, don't do that, let's see. There. Or Epic Games, I should call myself. I don't know why I called myself Wesley. It's not my gamer name now, is it? Dang it. It's 2-2 right now. Hey, watch this. Oh, that was a boss. Oh, what? Okay, they got 3, we got 2. Go, 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 go. Oh, go, go, go. Wait, oh, it's 3-3 now. 3-2-3. Oh, yeah. We got 4, they got 3. Oh, dang it. It's 4-4 now. This is a tight game. A hard game by what I mean, but the game by itself is just awesome. Like Castle Crashers, there's no freaking competition to it. Even like Call of Duty games that are like can't even beat Castle Crashers. Castle Crashers is my favorite game. Oh no, I want to be next dealer. Also, no. No, I'm not dealer anymore. Rejection. Nice. Wesley. Boom. We got 6, they got 5. I like blue people as the dealer. Okay, we got 7, they got 5. We're 2 points ahead so far. Just like that. Ooh. Okay, we got 8, they got 5. 3 points ahead. Okay, blue is gonna be like our goalie, or our guy that pushes off the ball every time. Dang it! We hit it down on our own side. Dang it, orange. Ooh! What? Okay, it's 7-8. They got 7, we got 8. Okay, this is a good round. Or, yeah, a good pitch. We're going at it right now. Oh, he just hit me. Just forward. Yeah. Okay, it's 9. If we get 1 more point, we win. Go green. Go green. Ooh. Dang it, they got 8. Okay, we gotta win the match. Come on. Ooh, I just got it. I jumped up. Ow. Oh, okay, I hurt my earring. But I hit triangle or Y on the Xbox. You punched it down to the ground. Okay, I wasn't playing. I was taking a drink. So we didn't get that point. Yeah, I can't jump over there. Oh, we got the point. How? Right now. Ooh! I'm the dealer. And if we don't fail this, and we get the point, I'm the dealer again. Oh! Nice. Oh! Ooh! Woo! Yay! I'm dealer again. Okay. Ugh. Ooh! Who got point? Oh, they got point because I dumped it too far. His boss. Ooh! 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 Yay! We got 3 points. I'm taking a drink. There. Okay, good. Go, 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 go. Ooh! 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 And score! We win. Oh, no, we don't win. We'll get the point, though. Go, go, go. Ooh, ooh. No, we got a point! That's easy? Wow. I think greens are next. No! No! It's 4-4. Greens are next pitcher, or dealer, or whatever. Oh! Oh, they got 5, we got 4. They're ahead of us, dang it. Wow, I just like jumped over that ball. No, they got 6, we got 4. But they might win this. No, no, no. No. Oh, oh, oh. Come on. Oh, oh, oh. Oh. What? Who got that? We did? Yeah! Okay. Yeah, I knew it. Green was our next pitch. Ooh, 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 ooh. And it goes off. It's a fireball. It was a fireball. Oh, crap. Yay! 6-6 now. Okay, I'm taking a drink. Okay, I'm back. Okay, my drink's off the table there. Oh, God, see that? I took my hand off the controller and went boom, took a drink. Then had to push it back. And then I'm just like, bam, I'm that boss. I just freaking recover. And get the point. That's how boss that was. And, ooh, oh, nice. Blue got sure. Ah! Okay, I got 7, we got 8. Ooh, I got a light. I turned it into a lightning ball. That was tight. I think if you... Dang it. Oh, we just got 9 and they got 8. I'm taking a drink. Ooh, we just won because I did my electric ball. Don't go too far. Good. Well, that was easy. We got a point right off the bat. Dang, that foul. It didn't hit me. Okay. Oh, that was easy. Okay, blue. Yep. Take a drink. Coke's good. Sponsor! That's something I have to do, I guess. Whenever I say something like that. So I don't get in trouble or something. Someone's suing me, so I have to, like, when I say a name, I have to sponsor. Castle Crashers sponsor the company, I think. Oh, Green Knight sponsored. No, that won't work in right. Oh, oh. Okay, they got 2, we got 3. Ooh, 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 ooh. Oh. Oh, fail. Oh, Green gave himself poison. He made a poison ball. Oh. Yeah, what? This Green runs so slow. Okay, if we win this, how did I take my lightning thing? Oh, got that pop. Cool. Okay, take a drink, take a drink. Boom, done it. Dang it, they got that point. Got that. Oh. snap. Whew. Let's go on. Got that? Got that right. I like my lightning ball. I turned the ball into a lightning. It's pretty cool. Oh, that's a complete fail on their part. I just kept on passing it around over there. I need to start sharing the. Dang it! Did they really just get that GP? Oh. When I start talking smack, they just start getting points. Oh crap. Well, what about the wins? 3 games in a row win. Oh. Oh! I'm the pitcher. Oh. Lightning ball. Oh. Yeah! Okay. I'm the pitcher, and this is the final. If we get this. No! No, I did a foul. Crap. This is what I'm gonna do. No. Okay. Who cares? Okay, this lightning ball. Oh! Oh! Get it. Yeah! We win! We win the whole game now. Well, that right there, guys, was domination. We just dominated them. Well, it was kind of hard, but the Boy Epic Games is out in 3, 2, 1. I'm out.